Today I'm going to show you guys how you can use your old Android phone as a secret CCTV camera. It has all the basic features of a CCTV camera like motion sensing. When it detects a motion, it starts recording, and when the motion is gone, it stops recording. Before going to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon. Let's go. First, open Play Store and search for security camera. Select the second one, which is from GENY Studio. Click Install. After the installation is done, click Open. You have to give some access to this application. Press OK, press Allow. After this point, I had to close my screen recorder because of a screen overlay problem. Now sign in to your Google account and click Allow. Now I have successfully signed in. Here you will find all the tutorial of how you can use this software. Click Close. Swipe from left side to open this menu. Click on Settings and click on Motion Sensor Settings. Do all the settings like I did here. Now click to Camera Mode. Now click Run and it will minimize the application. But the application is still running on background. Now it's time to set up the second device. Open the second phone and install the application as we did in the first one. After the installation is done, log in with the same Gmail address and you will end up in this screen. Now you can see the first device here and you can access its camera and microphone with this phone. Click the play button. You have to enter the access code from the settings from the first phone. The default access code is 1234. Click Save and it will connect you to the first phone's camera and microphone. Now you can see the feeds from my old phone which we are using as a CCTV camera. Now you are about to see the ninja technique of stealing chocolates from the fridge. Hide in the shadow. Look left, look right. Make sure no one have seen you. Then take the chocolate and run. So guys, you see, you can use your old Android phone as a CCTV camera and capture the chocolate thief. At this point, my daughter was the chocolate thief. She was eating a lot of chocolates lately. As you guys know, lockdown is running in Bangladesh and it's going to last a few weeks. For that reason, I stored a lot of candies for my daughter, but she's eating a lot of them. To prevent that, I installed the secret CCTV camera and captured when she was stealing the chocolates. So guys, that was all for today. Don't forget to like if you like this video, and also consider subscribing and ring the bell icon. See you guys in the next one.